Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here. A couple days ago, I did a review of the Syma X8G, which I have here, where I noticed that it was getting reduced ranges compared to my Syma X8C. My Syma X8C can fly close to 200 meters, 150, 200 meters. Actually, I really don't know what the range is on my Syma X8C. I've never flown it out of range yet. But this quadcopter, the X8G, I was barely making it to the edge of the pits here, about 50, 60 meters, before I would lose range and the quadcopter would drop. Now, I had assumed, I had theorized that that was being caused by a noisy camera. A noisy camera can do such a thing, you know. What I mean by noise is noise in the RF spectrum, the radio frequency spectrum, can interfere with reception from this transmitter to the quadcopter. Now, what I got here today is, this is a run cam, HD camera. I throw this on just about all of my quadcopters that can carry it, but it is a shielded camera. What I mean by shielded, it has like a foil inside the case that prevents the RF energy from exiting the case and interfering with quadcopter reception or aircraft reception, model aircraft reception. That's what this thing was designed for. They included RF shielding into it. So I want to fly with this run cam today just to see if I can get actually better range than I was getting 2 days ago with the stock camera on this. And with that in mind, let's turn on this camera and get it recording here. Camera's recording. Let's turn on the quadcopter, and we'll set the headless mode bearing as the pylon down at the end of the field there. Turning on the transmitter, and I may need to do a quick gyro cal since this is a different weight camera on there. Okay, we should be good to go. Let's go for a flight and see if we have any improved range with this particular camera. I'm going to set it up a bit high here so I have a chance to recover in case it does fly out of range. Okay, right about there I would be losing control over the quadcopter if I had the original camera, and yes, I got good range. Well, there we go. No. I'm going to keep that in there, folks. That was interesting, was it? I hope it's in one piece. It landed on its landing gear skid, nice and flat. I was out about 80 meters there. I wonder if it's still recording. Oh, I heard one of the blades. So no more fly today. But let's just see if I still got power. Okay, other than the blade, which I have a spare blade at home. Let's turn it off. Which way turns it off? This way turns it off. Okay. Well, that's a tough bird, isn't it? We turn off the camera. My poor camera. This run cam takes a beating too. It's been a crash with my Wakira the other day. That video is coming up shortly, by the way. Okay. Yes, it takes a beating. Let's take a look, folks. That was a drop from about 80 meters up. Well, not 80 meters. About 50 meters up, I'd say. But let's take a look. Everything looks fine, with the exception of that propeller. How about the other propellers? They're all fine too. So we know this can take a beating. That's good. I was always wondering what if this could take a beating. It could take a beating. I had a little bit better range, but it wasn't very much improved range. Okay, maybe it's not the camera on this quadcopter. Maybe there is a difference in the transmitter since the original release of the X8C. So this is Quadcopter 101. Interesting flight as usual. All right, folks? Quadcopter 101, signing out.